Hi and welcome. My name is Miljan Tukic, and Bautuk is my blog where I cover a range of topics regarding AEC industry and digitalization. In this video, we will talk about the SYS input. I often get questioned, how can I program something or do scripts, but to avoid manual running of those scripts? So to automate the process of my workflow, how to say. And this is possible by using SYS. You may think about SYS as a command line within SOFiSTiK FEA. And in this video, I will now demonstrate it, so let's start. As you can see on my screen, you just write sys and then provide a command. You can call example given a Python script by typing sys python file name py, or a PowerShell script by typing sys PowerShell file name ps1, or call an executable sys dummy program exe or a Lua script and so on. You may provide also different kind of arguments in the input. As said before, think of it as a command line input. The input lets you run scripts, executables, and other tools or APIs. As illustrated in the blog article, the first code block, if you start with calculation, first SOFiMesh will run. Then sys will be applied and calculated like a normal FEA module. After sys calculation, ASE will continue with the calculation. Let's demonstrate how to use sys on few examples. In the first example, consider a scenario where you require the current date and time aimed at printing documentation. I have already prepared the input to save time and will just explain it. The idea is to use a PowerShell script which gets a date and time via getDate command let. Then the date and time will be stored into the SOFiSTiK store variable. As you can see, at the end, an auto-generated input will be created on file. Please note again that this is just an example. You may choose any kind of programming or scripting language to achieve the goal. Also, the use case and problem description can be different. We can demonstrate this directly via PowerShell to see what the script will do. As you can see, the script created a text input where date and time are stored under store variables. If you get an error that the script cannot be run, then please refer to the blog article. Read the part regarding troubleshooting. In the main .dat file, we have the sys input which will create the temp.dat file. With apply, the temp.dat file will be included and calculated. Now the variables that contain the date and time can be used anywhere in Canada. In the second example, we will create automatically from a PLB file a PDF. On fly, you can use repo browser and pass the command for printing to a PDF printer. If we run now the full input, it will get the date and time, then convert the PLB to PDF automatically. Without sys, you would need to do the steps manually. As a third example, at the end we could also automatically delete specific files. Let's remove the temp.dat file at the end of the calculation. Type sys PowerShell and then remove the file. Let's run this. And as you can see, we get the date, time, PDF file, and the unwanted files are removed. This is the end of the video. The example files and the blog article are linked in the description below. If you like the video, please put a like and subscribe to my channel. I think that SYS is a great feature that can be used for interoperability, which is the core of OpenBIM. Each like and subscribe keep me motivated to provide more free content. Thank you for your attention and bye.